Welcome to my channel. Please showing my top 5 best products review.
Product review number 1.
Introducing the Ring Video Doorbell, 2nd generation, in satin nickel, the ultimate solution for enhancing your home security and convenience. With its advanced features and sleek design, this video doorbell ensures you never miss a visitor or a package at your doorstep. Transition. Firstly, let's explore the benefits of the Ring Video Doorbell. With 1080p HD video goal and a 155 degrees even field of view, you can appreciate perfectly clear video quality and a broad view of your environmental factors. The improved motion detection feature allows you to customize motion zones, ensuring you receive accurate alerts for any activity near your door. Plus, the two-way audio with noise cancellation enables seamless communication with visitors from anywhere using your smartphone, tablet, or PC. Transition. Now, let's delve into the pros and cons of this innovative video doorbell.
Product review number 2.
Introducing the Blink Video Doorbell in Black, a versatile and reliable solution for keeping your home secure and connected. With its impressive features and easy setup, this video doorbell provides peace of mind and convenience. Transition. Let's explore the advantages of the Blink Video Doorbell. With its 1080p HD day and infrared night video, you can enjoy clear and detailed footage at any time. The two-way sound element permits you to speak with guests from your cell phone, guaranteeing you never miss a significant discussion. The customizable alerts and privacy settings enable you to tailor the device to your specific needs, providing an enhanced level of control. Transition. Now, let's consider the pros and cons of this innovative video doorbell. Pros. Long-lasting battery life ensures reliable performance for up to 2 years. The option to connect to existing doorbell wiring or use it wire-free provides flexibility in installation. Integration with Alexa enables convenient voice control and alerts. Customizable activity zones allow you to focus on the areas that matter most. The Blink subscription plan offers extended video storage options and added benefits.
Product review number 3.
Enhance the flexibility and coverage of your Blink Video Doorbell with the Blink Video Doorbell Wedge Mount in Black. This extra is intended to give vertical calculating, permitting you to change the camera situation to your ideal review point. Transition. Let me highlight the benefits of the Blink Video Doorbell Wedge Mount. With the wedge mount, you can easily tilt your Blink Video Doorbell up or down, ensuring optimal coverage of your doorstep. This allows for better visibility of visitors and packages, enhancing the overall security of your home. The sleek black color seamlessly blends with your doorbell, maintaining a cohesive aesthetic. Transition. Now, let's consider the pros and cons of this convenient accessory. Pros. Provides vertical angling to customize the field of view of your Blink Video Doorbell. Easy installation with the included mounting screws. Compatible with the new Blink Video Doorbell model. Enhances the overall functionality and versatility of your video doorbell.
Product review number 4.
As someone who values convenience and efficiency, the Avantec D3B wireless doorbell kit in black has been a game changer for me. With its exceptional features and reliable performance, I can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that I'll never miss a visitor at my door. Transition. Let me share the advantages of the Avantec D3B wireless doorbell kit. First and foremost, the wireless range of over 1,300 feet for 100 meters ensures that I receive doorbell notifications no matter where I am in my home. The two plug-in receivers provide flexibility, allowing me to place them in different rooms without interference. Plus, the waterproof and dustproof transmitter can withstand harsh weather conditions, making it suitable for any environment. Transition. Now, let's delve into the pros and cons of this impressive wireless doorbell kit. Pros. The ultra-low power consumption of the transmitter, powered by a long-lasting CR2032 lithium battery, ensures a maximum lifespan of 3 years. The wide selection of 52 melodies, along with adjustable volume levels, allows me to personalize my doorbell experience. The memory function preserves my preferred melody and volume settings even after a power outage. Easy setup with included installation accessories, making it convenient for anyone to install.
Product review number 5.
As someone who values convenience and simplicity, the Sakuri wireless doorbell in black has greatly enhanced my home experience. With its easy installation and impressive features, this doorbell has become an essential part of my daily routine. Transition. Let me highlight the advantages of the Sakuri wireless doorbell. The establishment. First and foremost, process is a breeze. With no wiring or electrician required, I was able to set up the doorbell within 1 minute. Basically plug the collector into an attachment, and you're all set. No more problem or complexities. Transition. Now, let's delve into the pros and cons of this remarkable wireless doorbell. Pros. The long range capability of up to 1,000 feet in an obstacle-free environment ensures that I never miss a visitor, no matter where I am in my home. With 58 different chimes and 5 adjustable volume levels, I have the flexibility to personalize my doorbell experience according to my preferences. The weather-resistant design and high-quality ABS material make this doorbell durable and suitable for various conditions.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.